So come with us, come check it out.
You're in for a treat. This is Cartagena. This is a Kieran.
For a place that never rains, they got a lot of umbrellas. It's far more unique than anything we've ever seen. We are just grabbing a little snack. It's called the arepa. Yeah. Oh wow. Amazing to visit Santa Marta, the mountain range, which just, I mean, from this shot, from where I'm looking, it's just a city and then it just goes straight up. And you can just, it's such a clear day today, you can see just the outline of the mountain range and it is unreal. Unreal. You just got this beautiful South American city with high-rise buildings, green mountains, and then in the background it just goes straight up. Oh, it's a good morning.
Leaving Santa Marta, where we spent some amazing times with friends, we were joined by new ones upon exiting the city. We set sail to head to our next destination, a massive coastal city that had been on our bucket list for quite some time. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the little bell to keep up with everything that we're doing. Sailing along the coast of Colombia, we came across multiple rivers that released sediment and debris into the Caribbean Sea. It turned the ocean green and gave us various obstacles to avoid.
Good morning!
Good morning!
Today we are doing minimal sailing and maximum exploring. Adventure day today. We are in a beautiful city in Colombia called Cartagena. Lots of history, lots of culture, colors.
All the seas. No, we are going to the old town today and we've heard great things about it. I am super stoked. There should be some extremely colorful buildings and a lot of history, a lot of cathedrals and churches.
For sure.
Yeah.
So come with us, come check it out, and yeah.
You're in for a treat.
You're in for a delicious treat. A delicious treat.
Eh?
Yeah. What? You don't want a treat that doesn't taste good, do you?
Okay. This is Cartagena. This
It's
is a Kieran.
Well spotted, Isabel. It's actually a really interesting anchorage. It's just city the whole way around us, and we haven't experienced this. It's very interesting. We've got a lot of waves from boats, which is quite annoying. So it's not an anchorage which we want to spend a long time in.
No.
But for now, it's great. It's free, and it's very close to the center of the city.
And all our friends.
And all our friends. Quickly, I don't want to get wet. Woo! We'll have a good quickly knock on.
These boats, don't like them. And we made it to shore. I think you have to speak up even more now with the mask. Hey?
Yeah, our microphone is not crash hot, so we'll have to be yelling at you guys today.
It is very hot already. It is about, what is it, like
8:30.
8:30, yeah. It's already like 30 degrees.
Our marina is just a 15-minute walk into town, which is quite nice. The dinghy dock is extremely secure. We've felt very comfortable being here besides the waves and the anchorage.
Yeah, super safe. So that's a big plus.
Colombia is still struggling with the COVID-19 virus. It was mandatory to wear masks, and we were very happy to oblige for the precaution. For a place that never rains, they got a lot of umbrellas. Cartagena was founded in 1533 and was the main port which Spain used to run its overseas empire.
I am in love with all these colors. It is so beautiful. And all the greens around it, eh? What do you think?
It's very unique. It's far more unique than anything we've ever seen.
It's really taken care of as well.
They got the vegetation like overgrowing
Yeah.
from the roofs and from the windows.
Yeah.
Lots of colours, lots of nice doors. I don't really like nice doors.
Hey, I'm a sucker for nice doors. Karen,
Yes.
did you find your new place of residence? It's for sale.
It doesn't really float very well.
No?
So no, I need something that can sail over oceans.
But it has a girl riding a snail. Are you not tempted?
That girl, no, I've already got a girl, so I'm happy. That is a big knocker.
That's a proper one.
The size of the door on a premises and the size of the door knocker indicated in medieval times the owner's wealth and social hierarchy. For example, a lizard represented royalty, a lion represented military, and a fish represented sea merchants.
What are we doing?
We are just grabbing a little snack. The main cultural food they have here in Colombia is called the arepa. We had a couple in Curacao and they were quite nice, but as we've come into Colombia, they have been so much better. They are absolutely fantastic. I've had at least one a day, and they're cheap and they're
So
brilliant.
cheap,
It consists of a cornbread pita with cheese and meats, or if you're vegan, you got your avocado, you got your salad. It's unreal, and I'm going to get one right now.
Show us.
Could I get the arepa mixed?
Mixta?
Mixta? Old mate must have seen something like horrific. I got put on the 20 note. Unfortunate. Yeah. Gracias.
Gracias.
So this is the arepa. Very cheap.
How much you pay?
10,000 pesos, which is about, what's 10,000, about 2 euros? 2 US dollars?
Less than $2.
Less than $2.
Yeah.
Less than 2 US dollars for this bad boy. Oh wow.
Yeah?
Oh, there you go. Oh wow. That's good breakfast, that is. Okay, so in cities past where we've been to Grenada or St. Vincent and the Grenadines, you have beautiful sections of the city where the colors come out and it's really vibrant and it's really amazing, but it's only usually a small section. Here in Cartagena, it is every street. We can't believe how beautiful it all looks and how uniform it is. They have just endless beautiful colors with vegetation, just lovely flowers. It's I mean, look at this street we just turned onto. Like, I'll show you this now. So this thing right here is a big arena, and below us and around us is a mall.
Super fancy mall.
And it's all built around this kind of centrifuge, and it's very nice. It's like just built around this thing. It's lovely. You know, when you go to a mall, you walk like hundreds of kilometers that direction, hundreds of kilometers in that direction, and then you're in, but this is all like around the one thing. It's amazing.
They got like super nice, fancy Colombian designer brands and stuff like that. So we're just really window shopping here.
Very much. I'm not spending a cent here. The downtown area of Old Town has architecture mainly consisting of colonial style buildings, but also Republican and Italian style buildings are included. At the opposite side of the architectural spectrum, Boca Grande is known for its skyscrapers, hotels, shops, nightclubs, and it is the center of the city's tourist facilities. It has many beaches and are separated by a breakwall every 200 meters. So we've actually done a little bit of exploring here once already, haven't we, Isabel?
Yeah.
We know our way around slightly.
We were here last year.
That's true. We were here for New Year's Eve, and there's a bit of there were a few drinks involved, so there's a little bit of recollection of the city and a little bit of not so much recollection of the city. So it's good to see.
Yeah, oh, it's beautiful here.
It's absolutely stunning. Being such a secure and large port, Cartagena was attacked multiple times throughout the colonial era by both the French and the British. Fortifications were continuously being built by the Spanish, for the better part of 250 years to protect this very important city port. Welcome to the ending of the video. It's my favourite time of the video. Yours?
It's great. It is when we shout out our new patrons, new crew.
Oh, thank you so much for getting on board, guys. We can't tell you how much we appreciate it. You are the people that make this possible, and the following names you're about to hear are the new guys, the ones that just joined in the last month. So we're going to shout you guys out now.
Yes. Alright.
Dilipa D, the Davy J, the Jeffrey G, Alan M, Andy D, Supertura, Stephen C, and
Rolf R, Dave, Ken, Chuck S, Pat L, and I think Jens.
Jens, maybe
I
Jens.
think it's a Swedish name.
Sorry, yeah, that's probably
Please
right.
comment below if we're not pronouncing your name.
We apologise, Jens.
Kai G, Philip S, Greb W, Stephen F, Benjamin F, Wes, Scott P, and Chris F.
We have contacted each and every one of you. If you haven't got our message, just check on Patreon. We try to get in contact with every single one of our patrons and have a chat and get to know them a little bit. We can't express how much we thank you guys.
Just thank you so much, and yeah, you're the reason why.
You make it all possible.